Yeah, we shall have an overhead tank just right there, and it will be mounted just right there. And we are having a biodigester just after that manhole, and then having stones, a soak pit, just where you're seeing that soil there. Oh, and there are two lines. One will be taking water straight to the soak pit, then one will be taking water direct to the biodigester. That is why there are two lines inside the manhole. And it's outside the kitchen. So there's a galley trap, and then from the galley it comes into this small inspection, and then from there it goes into the stones just right there. So we're having stones there. Yeah, so we have finished everything as far as phase 2 is concerned, and what you have seen is what we have done. So we were working with a biodigester, and that is why we had two chambers in the inspection chamber. So we had a line that will be bringing water from direct from the shower, from the bathtubs, until when it comes direct to the soak pit. Then the one to the toilet is coming direct from the toilet straight to the biodigester. So that is how we have done this work. So anything to do with plumbing, purification, and filtration system, we are there on YouTube. Just go like Hydro Systems UG, give us work, and everything will be done to your satisfaction.